I was the constant single guy because I was so focused, right out of high school, my young 20s, I was so focused on work and wanting to grow and work towards my passions. I wanted to be an actor and a director. We were getting into real estate, and I dated a little bit here and there, but I was never Don Juan. I was never focused on finding love. I was just focused on work. And I will admit, I never had long-term girlfriends. I had one that was sort of a semi-long-term girlfriend, and then out of the blue, not expecting it, caught me off guard, Linda came into my life. And I have to say, Linda taught me what love is when I first met her. And she's standing behind camera right now, shaking her arms like this. She really did. I mean, Linda sort of brought out a side of me that I didn't even know was there, a more romantic side of me. Ask Jonathan. He was the romantic one. He's always been the romantic one. I don't know. I think I've kind of surpassed him. If he was the original sensei, I'm now, the student has become the master. Thank you, Linda.